How to make a YouTube banner on Canva. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to uh, create a YouTube banner on Canva. So let's just jump right in. First thing first, you want to head over to a web browser and search for canva.com. Once you're here, make sure that you are logged into your account. Once logged in, on the templates tab, you have to go ahead and search for YouTube templates or YouTube banner like this, and then hit enter. It will show you all of the templates that are available here for YouTube banner. Now, as you can see here, YouTube only allows you to show banner in limited area like this strip over here. And the remaining banners will not be visible in a desktop or a mobile. So choose a banner you'd like and then tap on customize this template. Once you click on it, you can easily change each and every aspect of the elements that's available on here. So you can just go ahead and click on the picture. You can change the picture over here. And once you have done all of your editing, you can easily upload it on your YouTube page. Now, as you can see here, if this banner is uploaded on YouTube, not everything will be visible in a mobile phone. Now here you want to show rulers and guides to view how the banner would look. Go to File at the top left, and then go to Settings. Now show rulers and guides, or you can just use the Shift plus R shortcut key. Now you want to put a horizontal ruler at this side right here, and then you want to put another one by dragging it over and putting it right here. And the vertical one is like that, and for the horizontal one, you can drag it from here. You can put it somewhere around 502 like this, and then the other one at 2052, somewhere around here. It doesn't matter if the value is 1 or 2 off, but basically this middle section right here is where your banner is going to be there. So as you can see, if I were to upload this on my YouTube channel, it won't be visible on mobile phone or desktop. So what you want to do is change these elements, select them. I'll just select this, and then I'm going to move it down like this, and then decrease its size so that it fits on the center, just like so. And then you can edit the text as well so that it fits. You can change and put your name here like this. And then you can change the other stuff and add different elements here as well. You can change the picture. So let me just go ahead and quickly remove this. I'll go to uploads, and I'll just upload a random picture here. I'll just do YouTube logo for now, or let me just quickly do this. All right, so once you have done that, you can just go ahead and export this. So I can just tap and share and then download it as a PNG. Click on download. Now I'll just go ahead and quickly open YouTube on another tab, and I'll just customize my channel. If I go over here to my channel, and then I can edit my channel by viewing it first. Click on Customize Channel, and it will open up your YouTube's Creator Studio. And as you can see here, you will find your banner image. Click on Upload. Now I'll just go over to Downloads here and find the banner. And as you can see here, it pretty much fits on the phone. So if you want to see it on desktop, it's going to look something like this. You can make some refinements if you want. And then on TV, it's going to look something like this. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.